What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna show you a crypto strategy that literally prints money. Before I get into that, subscribe below. Also, smash the like button. We stream live every single week. You don't want to miss this. And I'm gonna show you some examples on how to literally print money on the crypto markets. So we're gonna take a couple of examples. I'm gonna show you recent examples, all types, but we've been using this and we have been growing our accounts. So we're basically fib traders. And it's just so crazy how this stuff works out, right? Boom, literally the bottom. This is Zcash. So why I anchor from here, this is literally the biggest pullback on this leg. This leg literally starts right here, right? Boom, this leg comes up, you have that, right? You literally have this pullback here. And then if you want, we also have right there at the top, you would have caught the bottom. It happens over and over. You just got to be patient. Just got to be patient. Look at that. If you were just patient and you fib this stuff out, you would have caught the bottom on how many different runs, right? I mean, it just happens over and over and over again. And I'm going to show you another example. We're going to go to Sol. So you're not like, oh, it just only happens here. I was literally just looking at this and I missed it. Kind of annoyed that I missed it. What was I looking at? Was I looking at this? I take February 12th's bottom right here. Boom. I mean, it doesn't get cleaner than that, folks. I don't understand. If you don't understand, you need to subscribe. Watch us trade like this. It just happens over and over again. You just kind of wait. I mean, these are just kind of randoms that I was looking at. I'm not even, obviously, listen, stuff like this. It also works on not bounces. You can do all types of fibs. Sometimes it doesn't work though. Like, look, sometimes you may not get it. I don't even know. Oh, right in the pocket. Jeez, it's just freaking. See, sometimes it may not come down. So you go from the bottom to the top. Obviously, that wouldn't have got in. Does it get in you? Does it get you in on every single one? No. But if you search the market and look around, you will find bounce spots. It just happens that way. You just kind of got to be patient and know which spots to look for. Just looking at this, we got this leg up. A couple of things I would look for is this is the bottom to the top, right? Yeah, I would have bought right here. So you buy at 127. I would have gotten wicked down a little bit. I would have held 127. I mean, you bounce over, I don't know, what is that? 10%? If you're at 10x leverage, it's 100% gains. Here's a bottom. See, sometimes it just doesn't work out, though. I mean, you would have got in here, and yeah, you would have got, I mean, the bounce is still pretty nice. You would have got in 54. I mean, you could have got $10 out of that. I trade Sol with 24x leverage. So you got to think, if I'm trading with 24x leverage, that move is is massive. On the way down, it just hits these certain levels. Look at that. It just bounces. Comes down, bounces. You could have played a bunch of different plays. I'd probably say from here. Look at that. So basically how I play, right? I would play from here to here. And then once we bounce, I would then go to the next one. We come down, I'd play that one. And then after that bounce, I'd say, you know what? Let's see if it comes down lower. And I'd just be playing every single one of these over and over as we go down. Where do I think we're going to end up? Let's see what, I don't even know what. Let's go to the very, very top to the very, very bottom. All right, so I got the very bottom to the very top on Sol, right? We're there. We are there, people. First of all, you would have just bought it $69.85. Alone, you're up 20%. If you used leverage, forget it. You would have got in at $69.85 and you're at $84.49. I don't know. I'm going to start posting these. Subscribe below. Don't freaking miss out. It's literally printing money.